Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to just detail the dimensional properties of the Gulfport FR120 pressure clamp assembly, compression anchor, drywall compression anchor, whatever you're going to want to call it. This is the orientation of what it should look like. This is the finished side of the frame. That attachment will be vertical. The pressure clamp surface itself will be horizontal. So the client's asking, how tall is the pressure clamp assembly? Well, I'm not really sure which portion. I'm imagining the client means this. So 1.25 inches is the height of the pressure clamp assembly. The overall height of the mounting tabs would be 3 3/4 inches. The overall width of the pressure clamp assembly itself would be about 3 3/8, I would say. The projection, when it's at its minimum, from the mounting tab itself to the back side, looks like it's about 1 5/16. If I were to take that all the way out to its maximum dimension, and leave it still intact, that dimension would become about 1 7/8 inches. Okay? If you have any other questions on the dimensional properties of the Gulfport FR120 pressure clamp assembly or any other Gulfport product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.